Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
We're going to remove this trim piece right here. I'm going to use a trim tool, slide under here, pry up a little bit. Pry it up like that. These are the retainers that were holding it on. That one was holding us up a little bit. Just push down on that. And then we'll disconnect the electrical connector. I'm just going to push this button right here and pull out the connector. I'm going to remove these two screws. I'm going to use a Phillips head screwdriver. Take those out. So now we have door pins all around the perimeter of the door panel. I'm going to use a trim tool, get underneath here. I'm just going to pry it out and go all the way around. Once those are all popped out, you can grab the door panel, lift up, slide it out. Pull the electrical connector through, and then there's this electrical connector here and here. To disconnect this electrical connector, I'm going to use a small flat blade screwdriver. Just slide it in there, lift up, and then pull that out. There's a little button that you push right here on this connector and slide that out. Then the electrical connectors are disconnected. Now we can remove this cable that goes to the inside door panel. To disconnect this cable from the inside door handle, I'm going to lift up on this side of the cable, this little yellow retainer, and then you can slide this out like that, and then the ball will slide up like that, and then we can remove the door panel. To remove the speaker, we're going to use a 7mm socket, an extension, and a ratchet. Remove that bolt. You can grab the speaker, just pull it forward. You could use a trim tool as well, get in behind here. And then once it's pried out like that, I'm going to lift up. Now we're going to remove this electrical connector. There's a little button on the connector. Push that button down, pull the connector out. And you can use a trim tool to remove the wiring harness. Right there, and there's your speaker. All right, we're going to reinstall the speaker. Just take this electrical connector here, we'll line it up, lock it in place, take the wiring harness, and we're going to clip it back in that hole. Then line this slot up at the bottom of the door, push it on, take our 7mm bolt, get that started. And we'll use our 7mm socket, extension, and ratchet. And snug it up. Now I'm going to reattach this cable to the inside door handle. This ball is going to go in the slot right here. And I'm going to slide the cable to the side. And then lock it on like that. Then I can connect these electrical connectors. This one is going to get connected right here. Just line it up. There is a slot. Lock it in. This other harness is going to slide through the slot right here. You're going to fish it through the front of the door. That will connect to the window switch. And then there's one more wire harness that's going to connect right here to the LED light. When those are all connected, then we can slide this panel back on. So we're going to make sure this door lock knob is in the up position. Then we're going to slide it through the hole over here. Once that's through, then we can push the top of the door panel towards the window. Make sure that channel's in place. And then we'll line up all the door pins. Once those are all lined up, then we can tap it back on. Just like that. I'll install these 2 Phillips head screws. Snug. And that one's snug. I'm going to connect this electrical connector to the window switch. Just line it up, lock it in place. You can take this trim, line the retainers up, there and there. And we can just push it down, lock it in place.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.